Hey creators, today we are making a smooth 3D Insta Bio animation in DaVinci Resolve, and as always all assets are in the description, so let's dive in. So I will go here, create new timelines, and I will create the timeline. Remember it's 30 frames per second. So now I will go here and grab a fusion composition, right click and open in the fusion page. So it is our media out. I will place it here. This is our background and this is the merge node. I will connect this right here and I will connect it to this, so it will look like this. So now I will go to background and I will change the background color to like this. I think it is good. So now I will go to media pool, assets, and I will drag my asset here, shift space and type S rectangle, and I will place it here. And now match the size like this, and now you can see the height is like this is the maximum height. So click on this and type a random number and decrease it like this, so it will look like this. Go to shift space and type extrude, and it will like I will connect it to this, and I will view it like here. So you can see our Instagram bio in the 3D space. So check that all things are good. If it's good, so go to extrude and go to here depth and increase the depth like this. So it will look like this. I think the depth is too deep, so I will make sure it is like this, and I will increase the bevel depth like here. And now shift space and add merge 3D like here, and go and grab the spotlight and the render node and shift space and type ambient light. So now arrange these like this. So it looks like this. And now go to render node and you can check this to hardware render. I don't need, but I still did it. So and go to lighting and shadows and increase it, and now go to media 2 and type 2. So you will see these, and now go to ambient light and increase the light a little bit, and go to merge, go to transform and decrease the scale like this. It will look like this. So I will go again to S rectangle and I will increase the corner radius like this. So I will go to spotlight and I will at first go to Z axis and increase this. It will look like this. And now go and adjust this like this, and make sure to decrease the intensity a little bit. So I think the cone would be like this. I'll go to transform and I will place it right here. So it is fine, I think. I will adjust it again, so it will look like this. And now click on the merge 3D and tap on the Y keyframe, and now go to rotation and tap on these two keyframes. Go to 60 frames, keyframe these again, go to previous frames, and now type this 360. So it will create this type of 3D effect, and you can see the 3D texture is too high, so I will decrease it right here, and hope so project is fine. Yeah, so I will tap on back this and go to again 60 frames, go to first frame and decrease the X like this, and I have to create as well. I have to create a X keyframe as well. So I will go here and I will place it here. I will open the grid and it is looking nice. Turn off the grid, and now I will decrease the Y like this, so you can see this type of animation. So now it is linear. So tap on the merge 3D, go to spline, check all these boxes, zoom to fit, Control A, again zoom to fit, S, and now type T and lock this and increase it like 60. So it will create this type of animation. So now go to render 3D and go to settings and apply the motion blur, type on this and you can copy it. So now this is our final animation. So this is the final output. Tell me how was the tutorial.